Hi, I am Vikas. So today we will be learning about how to apply seismic load. So this is the program where we have drawn a tall building which we have applied a wind load, cladding load and live load and dead load. So now we will go apply the seismic load. So first we need to define the seismic load. Click on define load patterns. So here we need to type as seismic and type here we need to seismic, and now here we need to type the code IS 1893/2002. So add new load pattern. Okay, so here we will get the load. So now we need to modify the lateral load. So here we need to click on only on x direction and y direction, and for coefficients for each value we need to refer IS 1893/2002. As per the locality we need to enter the value. So these are the values are entered. So and resolution factor 3 and side factor 2, importance factor 3 as per the code. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now define load combination. So here we need to find our seismic load. So we need to add new combo and add default. So select concrete frame members. Click on OK. So this is the offer. So now we need to analyze the function. So run analyze. Set load case to run. So here we need to run. So we should make sure that wind load should not run. So click on wind load and do not run. Okay. And now click on run now. So now after we will see the design, concrete frame design. Here we will start check. So this will take some time. So here we can see that there is no available. So if there is any failure, it will detect it. Here we can see the values. In report we can see the project report. So now we will be applying the see the in seismic load we will see the response spectrum function. So click on define function response spectrum. So in this we will see, so select the code as required IS and T3 and click on add new function and name as a response spectrum. You can add to for the values we need to refer the code. As per the code we need to refer class 2 and here as linear and click on OK. So now here the value is predicted, and now click on OK. Next display option display unit. So here we need to see that acceleration value. So here it is okay. Now define load case. Here we need to add a new load case. As there is only limited, so we need to delete the seismic load. So now we need to add new load case. So here we can type as seismic spectrum response response spectrum. So in load case you can see here is a response spectrum type, and we need to add, because we have done in both direction, x and y direction. So add acceleration u1, deformation uniform is response spectrum. For a scale factor we need to use the formula where to calculate the formula Ig divided by 2R. So using that we can get 163.5. So again we need to add another where there will be u2. So again it will be a response spectrum, same value, because it is in both direction, x and y direction. And model now we need to click on OK. Next, analyze, set load case. So here we need to make sure that dead load and live load should not run. And click on run now. Design concrete verify all members. So before that we need to start a design check. So here we can see that there is a 10 concrete frames are need to be reiterated. So click on X. So now we can make sure that there is a no error. So next we will move to the design on time history on a seismic load. First we need to unlock after unlocking. So we need to define the load pattern, default pattern. See whether the seismic load is there. Yes, seismic load is there, so we need to modify it, and we need only x direction. Click on the x direction. Make sure that the values are same as previous, as we are seeing in IS codebook. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now we need to define function. So here we need to time history, because previous we did due to the response spectrum. Now we need to do it time history. So next, add new function. So here we need to name as, so before naming we can, so name as time history. Click on OK. So time history has been added. Click on OK. So next now we need to see the load. Define load case. So now we need to delete the response spectrum. Next, add new case. So now we need to name as time string. To enable the time history beyond static. So here we can use the time history load. So make sure that the value is as per 100.1. Okay. So here add only one load. Acceleration. So here time history and the value for skip and using the formula. So 1633.5. So there is no another off because there is only in x direction. Click on OK. Click on OK. So now analyze set load case to run. So here we need to make sure that dead load and live load should not run, and run now. In concrete frame, so check. After verifying, now design concrete, so verify all members. So here we can see that all concrete member pass the design check. There is no any failure. So report, project report. You see the summary of the report also. So here we can see the report. There is everything. Here we can see the report, loads on every member. So these are the loads applied in each story. So this makes the project to end. Thank you.